I'm here mentioning about first chapter, exercise 117, that is rounding numbers. How we round the decimal numbers. If it is 2 decimal places or 3 decimal places, 1 decimal places. Here the question is round each number to 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places, isn't it? How will you round it? See, here the questions are given up to 3.185. How will you round 2 decimal places? So we have to focus after decimal 2 numbers, isn't it? 2 decimal places. If it is given 1 decimal places, we have to focus after decimal 1 digit. After decimal 1 digit. If it is given 3 decimal places, we have to focus 3 digits. If it is given 4 decimal places, we have to focus 4. Here this is 4 decimal places. After decimal, we have to focus 4th digit. So here it is given 2 decimal places. We have to focus 2 digits. Okay. So the first question is 3.185. So after decimal, we have to focus 2 digit number. After 2 digit number, what the number is given? That is 5, isn't it? 5 or greater than 5 comes if we add to the 1 to the 8, so previous digit. So this will become 3.19. How it becomes 3.19? See, after 2 digit number, after decimal, we have to focus 2 digit number. After 2 digit number, what number comes this number, that is greater than 5, 5 or greater than 5, we have to add 1 to this number. Okay, so 3.19 is the answer for this question. And the question 0.064. So rounding 2 decimal places. So we have to focus 2 digit number. After decimal, 2 digit number. So we have to focus 2 digit number. After 6, what the number is here? 4 is here. So it is less than 5, isn't it? So you simply written 0.06. If it is 5 or greater than 5, we have to add 1 to this number. Okay, so simply written 0.06. See, 2 digit, 2 digit. And the 38.3456. How will you write? 38.35. See, focus the 2 digit number 0.34, isn't it? So after 4, there is 5 here. So 5 or greater than 5, we add 1 to this number. So 4 becomes what? 5. So I will write 38.35. Got it? Next, 2 point like that. Focus 2 digit number. Here is greater than 5. So there is 1 5. Another 0.999. So we want 2 digit number, isn't it? So the greater number after 2 digit number is 9 here. So we have to add 1. It becomes 10. 10. So 1 carry over to this number. So it becomes also 10. So 0. Here becomes 1. 1.00. Got it? We focus 2 digit number, that is 0.99. After 9, here is 9, isn't it? Greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to this number, 9. So 9 becomes 10. So we put 0. 1 carry over to this number. So it also 10. So 0. 1 carry to this number. So 1.00. So okay. Next one. 0. We focus 2 digit number. Here it is 5. So it becomes 4 becomes 5. 0.05. Got it? Next 0.0. Here is 5, isn't it? We only want 2 decimal places. To focus 2 decimal places. So 2 numbers. So this is 5. So we add to this 1. 0. 1 you get. Okay. Next 41.56. See, Focus two digit number. Here is greater than 5. Here become 5. Come on, tell me. 7. Okay, 6 becomes 7. Okay. Next, we move this side. 8.299. Focus it. 8. How will you get? It's focus two digit number. It was 9. 9 becomes 1. Add 10. And here becomes 3. What is it? 30. How is it? See, focus two digit number is greater than 5. So 1 added to this 9. It becomes 10. 0. Put carry over here. 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 8.30. Okay. Next, 0.42. Why? Because we focus two digit number after 2 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5, isn't it? So we do not add to this number. If 5 or greater than 5 comes, we add to this number. Okay. Then here 0.06. Here it is 2 less than 5. So we not add it. Simply write it like this. Okay. Then here we focus two digit number. It becomes 00. And third is 9 greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to this. So 0.01, isn't it? Next, this one 3.0. After two digit number, it will become 5 greater than 5, isn't it? So add to this number. So 2. Got it? Next, 12.0. We want two digit number. Focus two digit number. This is greater than 5. So add it 2. Okay, next 15 point. We focus two digit number. Here is 5. So add 1 to this number. 1, 2. Got it? How is it? So you must careful that here is two decimals given. We have two digit. If it is one decimal place, you have to focus only one digit number. After one digit, what divided by 5? Same process. The law is same to all. Okay, if two decimal places, correct two decimal places, correct three decimal places, correct four decimal places. The law is same. Okay, we move next question. See this question. Connect to 4 significant figures, 3 significant figures, and 1 significant figures. Okay, so here's the first question. 4,512. How will we write in 4 significant figures? See, we have focus. We have to focus 4,512, isn't it? So write down this number as it is. 4512. Okay. Next, 3 significant figures. So we have to focus 3-digit number. 451. After that, it is less than 5, isn't it? 2 is less than 5. So simply write down 451. We only need 3 significant figures. You put 0 here. Next, 1-digit number, 1 significant figure. You have to focus 1 digit, that is 4. After 4, there is a 5. So you have to add one number, 1 to the previous number. So it will become 5. So put 3 zeros. Okay, next. Here 12,305. Focus 4-digit number. After 4-digit number, there is a number 5. So 1 add to this previous number. That means 1, 2, 3, 1, 0. Isn't it? Next, 3-digit number 1, 2, 3. Add these two numbers. You have put 0, 2 zeros. Okay, we only need 3 significant figures. Next, 1 significant figure. You focus 1. There is no change, so it becomes less than 5. So put 4 zeros here. 4-digit number is after 1. There is a 4 digits are there. You put 4 zeros. Okay. Next number 65,238. 4 significant figures. First focus 4-digit number. Here after 4 there is 8 is there, greater than 5. So add 1 to this number. That is 6, 5, 2, 4, 0. Isn't it? Next 6, 5, next 3 digit number. Next 6, 5, 2. Okay. Next put 0 here, 2 zeros. Next, one significant figure, that is 6. After 6, that is 5, greater than 5, 5 or greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to this number. So you put 7, after 7 you put 4 zeros. Then, here this comes decimal number, 320.55. So how will you write in 4 significant figures? So only focus 4 digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after 4 there is a 5, isn't it? So we have to add 1 to this number. So 320.6. Okay, next 3 digit number. So we want only 3 digit number, 1, 2, 3. After 3 digit number there is a 5. So we have to add 1 to this now. So 321. Okay. Then need not put 0. After this is decimal problem. So need not put 0. Next 1 digit number. So we have to focus 1. Isn't it? So after that, here after decimal need not put 0. Here is the whole number part. This is a decimal number part. So we have to focus 1 digit number. So put 3 here. After that, this is 2 zeros. This is whole number part. Okay. Next, here is 25.716. We have to focus 4 digit number, 2571. After 4 digit number, there is a 6 greater than 5, isn't it? So we have to add 1 to this number. That is 25.72. Okay, next 3 digit number, 25.71. So we want 25.7. Okay, that is 25.7. Next, one significant figures. So we have to focus 2. After 2 there is a 5. So we have to 1 add to this number. Okay, that is how much? 3 and becomes 0. Okay, next 0.000765. So we have to focus 4 digit number. This is 0, you know. So 7650. See, write down 0.0007650. This is a 4 digit number. Okay, next we want what? 3 significant figures, isn't it? So simply write down 3 significant figures. So here is 3 significant figures as it is. You have write down as it is 0.000765, isn't it? Next 1 digit number. Here this becomes 1, isn't it? So 6 is greater than 5, isn't it? After 7 is 6. So we have to add 1 to this number. So simply write down 0.000. Here becomes 8, isn't it? So just write down 8. Next, 1.0087. We only want 4 digit number, 4 significant figures. So for 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 digit number there is a 7 greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to this number. So this becomes 1.009. Got it? Next, 3 digit number. So 1, 2, 3. 3 significant figures. After 3 digits, there is 8 is there. So 1 add to the previous number. So 1.01. Got it? Next, 1 digit number. So here is 1. So simply write down 1 here. There is no, need not put zeros here. So simply write down 1. Okay, got it. See H. 7.34876, isn't it? So we write down four digit number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, isn't it? So here it is after 4, that is 7. So greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to this number. So 7.349, isn't it? Next, 3 significant figures. So focus 3 digit number, 1, 2, 3. So after 3 digit number, there is 8 is there. So 8 is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to this number. So 7.35, isn't it? Next, 1 digit number, 1 significant figures. That is, we have to focus 1, 7. So it is here is 3. So simply write down 7 here. Okay. Next, 0.0098, 4 digit number. So you put simply put 9. Here is, sorry, 0.009980. So we want 4 digit number. So we add 0 here. So 9980. Next, 3 digit number, 3 significant figures. So only we need 3. So simply write down this as it is. 0.00998. Okay. Next, we need only one significant figure, isn't it? So one significant, how will I write? Here focus 1 significant figure. Here is 9, isn't it? So we want this one. So but here after 9, here after 9 there is a number greater than 5. So we add to this number. So it becomes 10, isn't it? 10, then we add to this number. 10, how will I write? This 1 goes to this side. So 0.010. See, once more, here becomes down comes. See, 1 significant figure. So we have to focus 1 significant figure, that is 9. But after 9, this digit, there is a 9 here, greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to this number. So if we add 1, it becomes 10, isn't it? So this 0 will be here and 1 goes to this side. This one goes to this side. Okay, so 0, 1, 0. Got it? Next, 0.02814. So simply write down, this is a 4 digit as in here. So simply write down 0.02814 as it is. Okay, next we have to focus 3 significant figures. So 3 number. So 281. Here is after 1 there is 4 less than 5, need not change. So 281 here write down 0.0281. Okay, next 1 digit focus. So you have here 1 digit, here is 2, isn't it? So after 2 there is 8, that is greater than 5. So we have to add to this number. It becomes 3, isn't it? So simply write down 0.03. Okay, next 31.0077, 4 significant figures. So we have to focus 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, there is 7 here, that is greater than 5. So we have to add this 1 to this number. So 31.01. Got it? Next, 3 digit number focus. 31, here's 1, 2, 3. So simply write down 31.0. 31.0. Okay. Next, 1 digit number. So this is 3. Okay. So it is less than 5. So you put 3, 0. Okay. Next, here becomes 0.0064735. So we have to focus 4 digit number. From here 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 there is 5 is there. So add to this number 1 to this number. That becomes 0.0064 4, 7, 4. Okay. Next, 3 number 4. Focus. We have to focus 3 numbers. So 6, 4, 7. Right. 0.00647. 0.00647. Okay. Then 1 digit number. So we have to focus 1 digit number. 6. So that is becomes here is 4 less than 5. So need not write this one. So simply write down 0.006. Isn't it? This is the answer. Okay. Next question. See this question. Change 2 5 by 9 to a decimal using your calculator. Express the answer correct to 3 decimal places, 2 decimal places, 1 decimal places, 3 significant figures, 2 significant figures, 1 significant figures. Okay. So first of all, you use your calculator. 5 by 9. So if you use calculator, you get the answer 2.555 dot 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 dot. Isn't it? So we have to use this number to find 3 decimal places. So how will you collect 3 decimal places from here? 3 decimal places. So this is a whole number part and this is a decimal number part. So collect 3 decimal places. So 3 decimal places. So focus 3 digits. After 3, there is 5. So you have to add 1 to this number. So 2.556. Okay. Next, 2 decimal places. Correct 2 decimal places. So you have to move decimal part. Focus 2 digit number. After 2 digit number, there is 5 here. So add to this number 1 to how much? 2.56. Got it? Next, 1 decimal places. So you have to focus 1 digit. Isn't it? So after 1 digit, there is 5 here. So add 1 to this number. So what is the answer? 2.6. Isn't it? Next, 3 significant figures. 3 significant figures. So entirely different from this decimal places and significant figures. So you have to confuse. Okay. So let's watch this one. This is the decimal places. Here are decimal places. Here is significant figures. Significant figures. So how will you write? See, 2.5555. This is the decimal form of this mixed fraction. 2 5 by 9. Isn't it? So how will you write? 3 significant figures. So from here you have to read 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? 3 significant. 1, 2, 3. So after 3 there is a 5 here. So add 1 to this number. So how will you write? 2.56 as answer for this one. And choose next one, 2 significant figures. So you have to focus 2 from here. 1, 2. Isn't it? After 2 digits, there is a 5 here. So add to this number. That is 2.6. Got it? Next, 1 significant figure. Here you focus 1 digit. So after 1 digit, there is 5 after 2, isn't it? So add to this number. So it becomes 3. So that is the answer. How is it? If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like it, share it. Okay, thank you.